Right, on this page, click Lab. It opens. Right. We don't need the energy graph, so you can get rid of that. All right, take the mass and change it to 50 grams. Take the spring constant and move that over so it's on the third line. Right, this very first one where it says small is the first, second, third. Right, over on this side, check this box. Right, you see the blue line appear. Right, notice the spring is in the relaxed state. That's where it is. Click movable line. Right, this one we can move, which you've used before. Right, leave gravity at Earth and change this dampening to lots. So all the way over to the edge to lots. All right, pull out the ruler. Right, and you're not going to need the timer, and you don't have to worry about this. All right, so start off by putting the 50 gram on the weight here, on the spring. And you'll notice this green line appears. That's the displacement. We want to measure that line. So what I do is move up the movable line to the bottom here. And I take the ruler. I put the ruler right on there. I measured, you can see that is 10 millimeters. All right, so this is in millimeters, which means you have to convert it to meters by dividing it by 1,000. All right, so you're going to then take this thing again, and then you're going to change the mass. So I think you go up to 100 grams next. All right, so make it 100 grams. All right, move the line again. And then measure the length of that line again. All right, and just keep doing that for the rest of the masses.